how's it going? I'm Eric Krause, and I have hiccups. This is a different kind of tutorial. I'm gonna make my hiccups go away. I'm a free runner, so I use free running style to make hiccups go away. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna handstand and drink upside down. Got my water real quick. Water. See, now I can't handstand and drink like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill my mouth with water, pop up the handstand, do it on a wall if you want. I don't like to. And you're gonna drink it, take 7 sips, or drink it in 7 goes, upside down. And it has always worked for me. It makes my hiccups go right away. So, go with water. And they're gone. And that's how you make hiccups go away. Free runner style. Or handstand style.